Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. We typically assume that fluid motion is a luxury reserved for flagship screens, yet field data proves this 55-inch unit is a massive disruption to that rule. The signals reveal a native 120 Hz refresh rate that eliminates the jagged blurring common in this bracket, keeping fast-paced gaming and sports surgically sharp. This speed pairs with a quantum dot layer that aggressively saturates colors. Patterns show the panel maintains vibrancy even when fighting against direct sunlight in a bright living room. The intelligence extends to the core. Field data highlights the IPQ Pro processor actively cleans up lower resolution content, delivering a crisp image without the artificial artifacts usually found in budget upscalers. Verdict: the definitive choice for the gamer or sports fan who needs premium speed without the empty wallet.